Forrester has seen the great sales that this kit offers. Well, what we've done is that we want to separate our products in this kit from our competition's products. We are using Swiss-made, top-of-the-line chainsaw files in our kits. We offer 2 chainsaw files, and we offer 5 32nds, 3/16ths, and 7 32nd kits. And you can order them specifically with the files and those 3 files in the kit. We offer a 6-inch flat file for filing depth gauges. We have a wooden file handle that can be used along with the chainsaw files as well as the flat chainsaw file. We have a guide to be used with the round files that has the markings of 30 degrees, 25 degrees, and 35 degrees for sharpening ease. And finally, we offer a guide that can be used for sharpening as well as depth gauge sharpening. It is all put in a convenient package that can be rolled up and put in your toolbox or put in a convenient place for when it's needed.